At last, here we are in La Hague. François and Anne are here to welcome us, and without more ado, we head off to go golfing amidst all the animals. It's a lot easier than traditional golf. You can get right up to the animals and even stroke them.
No, 1 point, 1 point.
It's time for a well-earned break. Homemade tartines paysannes, cider, creamy Normandy rice pudding called teurgoule round here. François the farmer is a local celebrity. I had been wanting to learn to make bread for a while, but doing it this way came as a big surprise. To make the teurgoule, you need milk. So it's time to go and milk the cow. I'll never forget this experience. It is forever etched in my memory.